How to fix a supported game is required to use this feature on Nvidia app. Now, the process that I'm going to be showing you right now is pretty much a quick fix. So the very first thing that you want to do before doing the very first troubleshooting step is just simply open up your Nvidia app, log in into your account if you have any, then just simply go into settings and then just simply turn off overlay. So once you've successfully turned off overlay, just simply go into the Windows icon of your operating system and just simply type in services. Now, this is the specific window of services that you have in your operating system. So what you need from here is just to click any of this field and then just simply um, click or press N on your keyboard. Now you just have to go ahead and just locate your NVIDIA files from here, and then all you have to do, for example, is just double click in it and then just make sure that start type is set into automatic instead of manual. Now once you switch it into automatic, just simply click on apply and then OK. Now once everything is done, all you have to do is just simply restart your PC and try to relaunch your NVIDIA app again. That's how you fix a supported game is required to use this feature on NVIDIA app.